That's the shower complete. I'm going to put a false front of aluminium at the front here and silicone it in place, because it's very, very tricky to get it the right height to your aluminium. We put a false front, and I'm laughing here. This architrave, we don't want to take off this architrave because it's a brand new architrave. So I've cut it across there, and I'll put in a small piece. So that's cool. It's better having a little wee cut there than trying to damage, don't want to damage that architrave. So this is all going to work out fantastic. All I'm doing is just dry laying it so I can mark that end piece. It's going to be a little bit tricky because I'll show you in a sec. Once I put this in, just hold that there. I've got to fit it over, cut these, and then I just need to get it under that architrave a bit. Where's a piece of tile? Don't know. Okay, right. I just need to slide under there, so then when I put this piece of tile, it covers my edge. But it's going to be a little bit hard because I've got to cut these a little bit out of line, and then allow for it to be able to push that tile. But that's cool, it'll work. Okay, we'll see you soon.